Hey, good morning. He has risen. It's Easter. Love all you guys. Love Jesus. Love the Lord. Like, oh man, oh man, oh man. Today is a special day. And this is a special project that I'm on. So, you know, moving to Texas has been quite the project in itself, but now we're going bigger at our house. Nathanael, my son. What's up, Nathanael? But check it out. Oh, what is it? What is it? Boom, it's a tree house. Look at this, look at this. I'm actually like up on a ladder right now. But this is the foundation right here. Nathaniel's on. You can see it. This is gonna be like a little deck right here. Deck. It's gonna be wrap around this way. It's gonna be a zip line going down the other way. And this will be the front. Big windows, right? Big windows. And check this out. I'm gonna turn this thing around. And this will be the view that they get. Crazy, right? Crazy, right through there, right over the tops of the trees. And then mom and dad, well, we'll be down there at the fire pit, which is on like a higher level. You look, fire pit right there. And then you can see like the level change. Waterfalls down there, of course, and boom, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so anyway, just it's really cool. One of our neighbors was building a tree house, and this contractor on the side does this stuff, and I was just like, that is awesome. That is awesome. That's one of the cool things about Texas. That's one of the cool things about Texas is like knock, knock, knock. Kids walking right in our house, like, hey, what's up? You got furniture yet? Like, boom, boom, playing with our kids and kids on the street, you know, and it's just different than California, at least where we were in California. It's just so family oriented. Everybody talks to each other and the kids all play together. And so Gabby's super excited. You know, kids can come up here to the tree house right here. Boom, good memories growing up. Back in Maui, we were building tree forts. We were building, you know, skateboard ramps and jumps and all kinds of stuff, skimboards, and great memories. I want that for my kids too. Nathaniel, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. And what's cool is, you know, you guys know my son he has autism, but he loves outside and he loves this area. He comes up here and stuff. So like, I just love the fact that he'll be able to come up here, chill. He'll be able to come up here and chill and actually just look out, you know, and let his mind go, you know. So, all right. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Happy Easter. Boom.